In the previous class, we learned about the constructions, like the basic constructions, like bisecting the line segments, bisecting angles, and also uh, triangle construction when three sides are given. Today we are going to learn some more constructions of triangles. Now let us see when these two sides are given and the included angle. Included angle means the angle between these two sides is given. How to draw the triangle? Again, here the first thing is draw the base. So how will you draw the base? 4.5 centimeter. So keep it here and take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5 is here. Draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter. Now, what is the next step that you have to draw? You have to make an angle of 60 degree. And for drawing the angle, what do you use? You use a protractor. Now, how to keep the protractor? That also should be taken care. You see here, this point is called the center point, and this line joining 0 to 180 is called baseline. So the baseline should be along the given line and the center point should be where you have to draw the angle. So here. Then wherever the line is there, towards which side? So from that side you need to count. Now see here, I am keeping here. Now the line, here I am going to draw the angle, the line is toward this side. So from that side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Mark a point and then using this thing itself you can draw the line segment. So this is an angle of 60 degree. Now you know this line segment, this side is 4 centimeter. So again from the scale you take 4 centimeter. I'll take the 4 centimeter and will show you. This is 4 centimeter. You know how to take now. Keep it on this vertex and then draw an arc. So wherever the arc met, that point should be joined to the, you see this is the point where the arc cut the arms. So join that point to the other end point of the side. So here we got, so we have not named it, let us name it as P-U-T, put. So this is P-U-T. So this is 4.5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter and this angle is 60 degree. So these are the two constructions of triangles which we learned today. That is, one is using SSS construction and the other is using SAS construction. There are two more. Let us do that. Now the next construction is when when one side and two angles are given, or two angles and the included side is given. That is, this is angle 1, angle 2 and this is the included side. These three measures are given. How to construct? Again, for construction of any figure, the first thing that you have to draw is the base. So here what is the base? 8 centimeter, side 8 centimeter. Name of the triangle is TOP. If you want to call it TOP or POT, it's okay. Okay. So first let us draw a line segment of length 8 centimeter. So keeping it here, let us draw a line segment of 8 centimeter, length 8 centimeter. That is drawn. Now what is the next step? You have to draw these two angles. what is the measurement given? Accordingly, you need to draw two angles. So let us see how to draw it. First of all, this baseline, always it should be along this line. Now when you have to draw an angle from here, so keep the pointer there and count from here. When you have to make an angle here, keep the pointer here and count from the opposite side. So let us keep here first and count 30 degree. 1, 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay. And you can join that point to the line segment, end point of the line segment. Got it? And then from here, we need to make 70 degrees. So, keep the pointer, the center point here. And then from here to count 70 degree. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. And then join it. Now when I join, it is not joining because first one I drew till this only. There is nothing to worry. What you can do, keep the scale again and join it. The board is too soft, so little bit slippery it is. Okay, we got the triangle. So let us mark this point as T, this point as O, this point as P, and the base is 8 centimeter. This angle 30 degree and this angle 70 degree. So our triangle is ready. Now the next one is according to RHS condition. RHS condition means right angle, hypotenuse and side. So the figure shows that here it is a right angle. One side is given 6 centimeter and the hypotenuse is given 10 centimeter. The base is given as 3 centimeter. So let us draw first the base. How many centimeter? 6 centimeter. So let us draw first a base of 6 centimeter. Okay. After that, on the base, we have to make an angle of 90 degree. There are two ways to make angle of 90 degree. Using the protractor also you can make. See here. 90 degree angle, mark it, and then using the scale join that point. Actually, if you use the set square, you can directly draw. You see here, if you keep like this, press it and it's too slippery. Got an angle of 90 degree. Also, when it is asked to construct, you can use the compass and use. I'll be showing you that different angle construction. Now here 10 centimeter hypotenuse. So what you have to do? Take the compass and with the help of compass and the scale take 10 centimeter. I'll take and show you. 0 to keep and then to adjust the compass and take 10 centimeter. Okay, elbow. This is 10 centimeter. And then keep it in the on this point and then draw an arc. After drawing the arc, what you have to do? Join that point where they intersected. The line and the arc intersect at this point. So, join that point to the end point of this line. Keep it here and join. So, this is 6 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. Mark this point as R, A, Y. Ray. This shows 90 degree. So, these are the different ways of constructing triangle, or different bases on which we construct the triangle. In the next class, we will learn how to construct different angles, or also we will learn how to construct equal angles. Okay. So, for today, we have learned all 4 types of triangles and how to bisect angles and sides. So, you need to practice this at home so that we will be able to do the remaining constructions easily. So, we have learned all the types of constructions of triangle. That is, we learned SSS construction, SAS, ASA and RHS constructions. That is, when different measures are given, how to construct the triangle. That is what we learned. Now, all these constructions what we have learned, we will be using for the construction of quadrilaterals. That's all for today. Thank you.